Hi guys, Carspar 2.0 here, and welcome back to another unboxing video. Sadly though, this is my only unboxing video for today. It's nothing but special things, and it's out there today. So for this time, this is the only one, and I'll be unboxing for you guys. And really enough, I have a new one this time. And we got a customized Honda Super Cub. Now, guys, do remember the first Honda Club, the original? That was also a new casting, and well, this one is custom made, and with a lot of custom parts on it. And the back of the card will tell us something about the bike. Well, let's take a look. Here we go. This one was made last year. And me in Japan. Yeah, it's a Japanese bike. And it says, complete the delivery on time. Every time in the fully customized mode. It features a beam LED headlight, drop handlebars, and a custom panel cargo carrier. So yeah, there are some custom parts to this Honda. Well then, time to get out of there and get a closer look at the bike. Alright. It's out. Now, this is the bike. I gonna have to use my Lego tires to help keep it standing thing. If I can though. Oh, there we go. I got it now. Okay, let me move it like this. So it's easier. Like, see. The pictures is having problems. Clear it up. Can't trip my back. Yes, here. Alright, here you go. Now you can see the bike a little bit. So yeah, it's right. Does have a beam LED light, drop handlebars, and take a look at this. A carrot. If I know, that really nice. It's like the carrot. And it's like a bag, and with the Honda badge on it. I've never seen something like this before. This is one unbelievable bike. Yeah, I had something like this, but there's some bad news there. Due to this is a bike, I would not be able to race it down my 6-lane track until Hot Wheels. I can cover with a Hot Wheels track, and they're designed for bikes. Anyway, well, that's it for this one. And our only unboxing video of the day. But I'm pretty sure I'll get more soon in the future. Okay, guys, I'll see you next video.